Hi everyone, welcome back to Bitcoingem channel. Let's look into four altcoins that you can buy and hold instead of Bitcoin. The first one is Oasis or Rose. So Oasis protocol, I have been very bullish on this project overall. It is in my high conviction plays, and I still think that this is one good potential play. Only at $500 million market cap, it is 498, so almost $5 million, sorry, $500 million market cap, privacy focused L1. I think this is a very good play. Conservative, even 10x from here is will take it to 70 cents. It's currently at 7 cents, 7.5 cents. So I think a 5 billion, 10 billion valuation for an privacy focused L1, and that too in a parabolic bull phase of crypto altcoins. I think this is not impossible. So it is 87% away from its previous all-time high, and I think this has certainly a good potential to go even tag $1, so which would be almost 12x from the current price. So I think this is a good project to buy and hold if you like such plays. The next one is Mask Network. Now again, this is a very high risk, high reward play. Its total market cap is $253 million, and its FDV is also 253. It is one of the coins when it runs hard, and I think there will come a time when again we'll see some good upside in the social network uh, plays, or decentralized social network plays. And I think Mask is one good and very interesting project, a high risk project, but its reward will also be high. So you can put this in that 15-20x basket, because when it starts moving fast and in a parabolic phase, things can go crazy in crypto. The third one is Flux. If you're looking for an alternative deep in play, then I think the Flux is a good decentralized cloud storage play for you. Again, only at $205 million market cap. So again, 20x, 15x, 30x in a crazy bull market is not impossible for a project like Flux, which is a good project, a decent project. And I think this is also one alternative deep in play if you want to. Again, my go-to choice is AKT, but I'm giving you options for you to choose as per your risk profile. The fourth one for today is Aptos. Now, if you're looking for an alternative L1 Ethereum killers, and if you don't like Sui or Sei, and in fact, now there is also not just Ethereum but also Solana killer. So I think Aptos is also one very interesting play. It is certainly a good tech, an interesting tech, and it has a good community also backing it. So I think Aptos is also one interesting play, currently at $3 billion market cap. Again, this would be its first full-fledged bull market. So if it goes to 10x, 20x from here, then you can, make good amount of money. But I think Sui, Sei, Aptos, I don't think everything will run. So you have to be smart in choosing what you think is a better chance to have that 10-20x play, and then you can play as per your conviction. So these are four altcoins for today. Total till total I've presented you 34 altcoins till now in last 1 month, from which you can select as per your risk profile. My entire purpose is to give you some high conviction plays, filter all the projects, and because there are thousands of projects in crypto. So if somebody is new, somebody doesn't know, then I do a job of filtering them out and presenting you with good potential projects. So I hope you like and appreciate my videos. Take care everyone, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.